Hi, my name is Rakesh Sehgal and I am co-founder of an advertising technology startup, Paytunes. Welcome to my life page. Today we are going to talk about startup entrepreneurship, but before that let me give you a brief look into my experience and education. I have done my schooling from Air Force Senior Secondary School, Delhi. After that I have done my BTech from IIT Delhi. After completing my BTech, I joined as a consultant into PricewaterhouseCoopers, where I worked for 3.5 years. During that, I developed an urge to start something of my own. So I quit my job around 2014 and then I co-founded a startup with one of my batchmates in college. A startup is actually a business idea around a new idea or an existing business idea which we can improve with the use of something new, mostly with the use of technology. Technology makes an idea really scalable and gives it a very fast rate of growth. This is what essentially a startup is all about. First of all, we need to have the domain knowledge of that area in which we want to develop our product or service. So for example, if you want to do something in a medical domain, you want to develop an app or a product in medical domain, so it's very much important that you must have a very deep knowledge of that particular area. You should be a doctor, or at least you should have worked in some related field, maybe a pharma company. If you want to do something in logistics, you should have an experience of the same. The very same way, whatever you do, you should have a very good understanding of that field so that you are able to cater to the requirements of that field. The first one is communication. Communication is one very basic thing which is very much required for anybody to not only to do a business but to do anything for that matter. You require to first convince others about a business plan that you have, to join them in your business. After that, you have to convince people to invest in that business. After that, you have to actually operate that business and bring out the revenue. In everything of this, you require very good communication skills. First one is respect. You gain a lot of respect because you are able to create something while others are still thinking of giving shape to their ideas, which like we can easily say 99% of people are. It is like, if I give you an example, everywhere I go, people are very much looking for advice from you or looking for more to know more about how should they also start up about their own ideas and everything, because everyone even you can see for yourself that you must also be having an idea inside your mind but you don't know how to execute it. So that is kind of a problem with almost everybody, that they are not able to put that into shape. So that's the first benefit that you get out of it. First thing is that of funding. So it's like, because most of the startups are founded by people who just have an idea but not enough money to actually support the idea. So that is really a challenge. But if you have a good credibility, a good business plan, and a good team to actually execute it, which can be actually proven to the investors also, then you can overcome this challenge. So we mostly start our day by looking about news about other startups and their funding and everything, like anybody merging with anybody launching a new product, any significant changes in any product, a new launch in any other city. So it's very important to be knowing about what others are doing in our own area. Then after that, the usual stuff of how our user growth is happening, how our ratings are there on App Store and everywhere, how people are responding to our app, how our revenues going in line with our user increase and everything. After we are done with our own analysis, then we try to do the same for our competitors also. So because in order to stay in the market, it is very important for you to see how others are doing, which are also working with your very similar products or something. This is typically something that we make sure, in fact almost all the startups and all the businesses make sure to do on an everyday basis. Apart from that, the rest is almost all usual stuff of checking the revenue, sales pipeline, how things are going, what additions can be done in our product, how the market is probably changing due to some external factors, and how we can adapt to the same. Looking onto things of the same way, and then making any required changes in our product, talking with the tech team to see if there are any changes that we can do in the same. Lastly, we end up every day making sure of any operational challenges that we might be facing, if they have been resolved or not, because in technology there are a lot of things that can go wrong, and it's like if your product, if your app or if your site is not online, your entire business goes haywire. So it's very important for you to see that any operational challenges or any technical challenges don't remain unresolved by the day end. I hope I have been able to give you a very balanced view of a startup entrepreneurship. My last advice would be, if you have an idea, if you are very certain about it, give it a try. Thank you.